Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my art channel. Today I will share with you guys how to decorate your own mobile phone case. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. Now let's get started. At first we need normal phone case, acrylic colors and 3D colors, and Mod Podge. I made this Mod Podge at home. If you want to know how I made it, please let me know. I will show on my new video. You make whatever you like. I am making dot and lines design with acrylic and 3D colors. I am using earbud and pointed color bottle top. I am using various color like white, orange, golden yellow, golden, copper, green, sky blue and many more. So you can use any color you like. Slowly I am making pattern, big and small dots, and step by step I am using various colors. Now I am putting Mod Podge. Now wait for drying. After some times it looks like that. Our mobile phone case is ready. Hope you enjoy this video. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.